you all for doing Law Ki Padhai together. So in my previous video, in my yesterday's video, I had discussed about the law and morals. I gave you the introduction, I gave you the meaning of law and meaning of morals, and I had discussed about the difference between the two. Okay? And for today, as I told you yesterday, that today I'll be covering the relationship between the law and morals. Okay? So, this is the topic, and for studying the relationship between the law and morals, these can be studied under three heads. Okay? First one is morals as the basis of law. Okay? Second is morals as the test of law. And the third is morals as the end of law. These three heads are very important, and the relationship between the laws and the morals can be better understood after understanding these three concepts. Okay? So let's discuss about the first one, morals as the basis of law. Okay? So in the very previous times, in the very old age societies, morals were the basis. Okay, everyone used to consider morals as the supreme important. Morals were considered as the rules, and the sanction behind them was the fear at that time. Okay, I'm not talking about today's time. I'm talking about the societies which existed long years back. So at that time, when morals existed, morals were considered as the law. Okay, they were not in any written form, and they were considered as the laws, and the fear was the basis of the establishment of the morals. And as the society developed, as the state came into its evolution, I'll discuss about this also. So as in when the state was formed, so the laws were formed. The government of that time, those governments selected certain sets of rules. Okay, they selected certain set of rules from the morals. There were these many morals, and government selected some set of rules from those morals and gave them the legal sanction and made punishments if those rules were not followed by the society. And the ultimate aim of the state was to ensure that equality is done to all, and to maintain proper social order in the state. Okay, justice in the state, social order in the state, for the development of the state. For all these purposes, state basically made those rules and made punishments, so that if any person violates these rules, they get proper punishment. And it was the responsibility of the state to make sure that these rules are properly followed by everyone. Okay? So, morals as the basis of law. And from here, as I told you, that as and when the state was formed, the government selected certain rules which were very important from the point of view of the society. And hence, the laws were formed. So, ultimately, we can say that morals are the basis of law. Got it? Now, morals as the test of law. So, what are morals? Morals are basically those rules and regulations which are meant for the supreme good of the individual. Okay? And the laws basically aim for the, good of the society as a whole. So, if you break the laws, you get punished. But breaking of morals is not punishable anywhere, okay? It's just a guilty feeling that you have in your heart. So, if I'll say that the source of law and morals is the same, it will not be wrong. Even earlier jurists also said the same thing, that, the source of law and the source of the morals is same. So, as I told you that if you break the morals, it is not punishable. So, I would like to give you one example for this, and the example would be same-sex marriage. Okay, it is legally allowed, but in countries like India, same-sex marriage is not considered morally correct. So, let's come towards morals as the test of law. So, I would like to tell you that law has to conform to morals. It is okay that the laws are there, which there are laws which are against the morals, but ultimately the laws are meant for the society. Okay, and if the laws are such that they are against the morals, then the society will not accept those laws. There can be some laws which are against the perspective of the society, but there cannot be many and many and many laws. There cannot be bunch of laws going against the morals of the society. The society would not accept those laws. I'll tell you one thing, that in 17th and 18th century also, the Greek and Romans, they also considered morals as the basis of law. They considered morals much more important than everything else. Okay, and at the time when natural law theory was at its peak. Okay, when natural law theory, I will discuss about this theory as well, don't worry. So, when natural law theory was at its peak, at that time also, the people said that the laws should adhere to the principles of natural law theory, and the principles of natural law theory were based on the morals. Okay, so if any law was against the principle of natural law theory, people were free to disobey such laws, and the government making such laws was overthrown by the people at that time. Okay, I am talking about the 17th and 18th century. So, hence, to a very great extent, we can say that the laws and the morals, they are closely knitted together for the proper functioning of the society. Okay. Now let's discuss morals as the end of the law. Morals are also many a times called as the end of law. There are many jurists who have defined law in terms of justice. As per them, justice is the end result, and justice should be the end result of any law. As per them, nobody should be denied justice. Everybody should get proper justice, and within time, justice should be there for all. Okay, as per many jurists and also as per law, justice is one of the essential elements for proper development of the society. Now, morals are the end of the morals as the end of law. Okay, this point means that when you dig deep into the laws and morals, especially if I talk about when you dig deep into the morals, when you dig deep into the morals, what do you get? You get justice. There are many morals in the society whose ultimate aim was to secure justice. The similar is the case with the laws as well. When you evaluate the interest of the society, what do you get? You get to know whether justice is actually taking place or not. This also is the test of the law, whether the law is serving its purpose or not, whether we are getting any benefit out of the law or not, whether the people are getting benefit because of that law or not. It serves as a test of the law. As I discussed, that morals are the test of the law, and if you dig into the society, into the laws, into the morals, interest of the society, you will find that justice is an important element, and hence justice is tested on the basis of the success of the society, the development of the society, whether the members of the society are getting justice or not, whether the purpose of making the law is fulfilled or not, whether the morals are correct or not, whether the law is correct or not. And hence, because of this ultimate justice, there can be situations where we need to change the morals or change the laws. So, the end of the law is always morals. Hence, the concept is clear, I think, and in case of any doubt, please feel free to reach out to me and ask me questions. I'll be more than happy to help you all. And in the end, I would like to conclude that although legal rules, they are concrete, they are complex, it is very important, it is very difficult to make them. Okay, laws are basically they are derived from morals. Okay, it is not said that the laws are only derived from the morals. There are many sources of laws. Okay, moral being one of them, and hence it is very important that there should be a relationship between the law and the morals. Okay, and there are many other sources of law as well. For example, customs, precedents. Nowadays, if you look at many laws, they have got their evolution from the British laws. Okay, so British laws or the English laws can be said to be one of the source of the laws. Philosophy plays a very important role in making or the development of the laws. So philosophy can be said that it is the source of the law. Morals, as I already told you, that it is one of the sources of laws. Precedents can be one of the sources of laws. So there are many sources of laws, and hence the laws should be connected with all of them properly. Okay? So, in case of any doubts, in case of any question, please feel free to reach out to me. I would be more than happy in making a separate video on any topic you say you have a doubt in which you have a doubt. So I would love to clear up your doubts. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm really working hard for you all, and I really want a good response from you all. Okay, so take care. That's all for today, and take care. Here I have completed my topic, law and morals. Tomorrow we'll be starting with a new topic. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow in my next videos. Till then,